Hey guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana Soul Vlog, and I'm here with another amazing video. Yes, guys, welcome. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share out the video. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Yes, guys, so this is a little motivation video for all the upcoming vloggers. Yes, guys, and for who may find it interest. Yes, guys, so today I'll be motivating you guys. First, I must say thanks to everyone for who has been supporting my platform. It has been an amazing journey, growing from 0 to 2K. That's really good. To 2,400 and something, on my way to 3K. Yes, guys, that is really a great milestone. And I must say to you all, in spite of what may be going on, continue to post your content. YouTube have a shorts feature. Yes, guys, shorts feature that's you can do shorts with, like, for instance, you have a video maybe 10 minutes or so, 5 minutes or so, whatever, and you can get little segment from that video to use as shorts. With that, now I think that is amazing, because what that do for you, it help to boost your channel. Because guess what, I did a short video out of one of my video that I did ages ago, right? And that video get 1.6k views. So YouTube come up with a way to help us to push our video to a wider audience, and I think that's something really great, because most of us small YouTubers who are struggling with creating content every single day. For instance, that you don't feel like creating a video, but at least you want your viewers to have something to watch. Create a little short video from out of one of those video that you do. It doesn't matter if it's funny or anything. If you do cooking vlog, create segment from out of that you can have your audience watch. At least they'll be entertained. And I would suggest, you know that YouTube give us like 3 notifications, right? So I would suggest that even if you're not going to use all 3 notifications, because you may be busy, those who are at work, and for those who are not working like myself, for instance, do a live stream. You also want to do video. So don't base your channel only on doing live stream, because guess what, at the end of the day, that can also damage your channel. Because guess what, you're doing this bunch of live stream, you're not putting out content. So what you think gonna happen to your channel? Yes, do the maths, guys. Be smart. That catch me before, because I used to do a lot of live stream. I used to post content less, and for the past month or so, since I've been posting regularly, I see where my views gradually going up, and I am so excited about that. I'm not gonna lie, I feel really good to see that, hey, I'm moving from getting views for overall monthly views was like 3,000 and all of that, and I realized by posting these contents so often, and each one of them getting to 1k, 2k and all of that, 3k, my views have gone up, and I'm loving the direction that my channel is heading to. I'm saying this to somebody. You may be out there not knowing what to do, you feel like giving up. Don't. Just wipe that out of your mind. just erase the giving up out of your mind, because at the end of the day, I do believe that good things come to those who wait. And don't just sit down and wait and say, yes, may I sit down and wait, my views are gonna go up, or my subscriber count are gonna go up. No, you have to put in the hard work. And I'm still saying to you guys, put in the hard work and just watch how things turn around for you. You can't just sit back and fold your hands and expect that people gonna find your channel like that. Promote your channel on whichever social media platform that you are on. For instance, that you are on TikTok, promote your YouTube channel on TikTok, because YouTube is your brand, you know. Your channel is your brand, so you have to advertise yourself. When you advertise yourself and you let people know that, hey, I'm doing YouTube, people gonna want to come and watch. They're gonna check it out. If your content is something that you created that they love, they will stick around. If it's something that they don't like, they will go. But guess what, at the end of the day, if one person come and they don't like it, 10 other person will come, will like your content. So I will say to you, continue pushing your content, continue posting your videos, don't stop. Post every single day of the week, because you're a small content creator and you want your channel to push. So you have to work hard to push your channel. Nobody's gonna get up and push. I don't have a godmother, I don't have a godfather on YouTube or anything like that. So guess what, I have to get up and I have to do videos every single day. It's not like sometimes I don't feel lazy. Sometimes I just don't feel like creating any content. I don't feel like posting any video today or whatever the case may be. But I have to get up and I have to say, hey, here what, I have to make this work for myself, because nobody is gonna get up and let it work for me. So I have to put in the work and spend the time. It's all about editing also, guys. Learn to edit. If you are not good at editing, CapCut is perfect. That's good for you to start off with, but there's a lot of other apps. You have InShot, you have all those other apps that you can use, but CapCut, I find it really easy, and it have the things that you would want to put in your video. So ensure that you learn to edit, ensure that you learn to make a thumbnail. Even if your thumbnail is not 100% perfect, but by the time you're constantly doing it, you should improve. And I would say, ensure you learn. And second thing is, I'm using my front camera right now, but I would suggest to you that, guys, use your back camera. For instance, that you don't have like a good camera and stuff, get a glass, put it in front of the phone, where you can turn the back of the phone to you, and where you can see what you're doing, or you can use your computer to mirror so you can monitor what you're doing. So, but just use the back camera. The back camera give you a way better quality. I'm gonna show you a clippings of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna let you see the difference with using a back camera and a front camera, because I started recording earlier. Welcome, guys, it's the girl Jelena Sewell vlog, and today I'm here with another amazing video. Guys, I'm here to encourage you all. As a content creator, you all need to be in the know. You all need to know the necessary things that you need to have. Otherwise, away from the necessary things that you need to have, you need to ensure that you post content regularly. Stop being lazy. Stop being this person who always complaining about things. You're not knowing what to post. There's a lot of topic out there for you guys to post. So go ahead and choose any topic. Choose a video to do something on, and just put the color on. But because of the noise I had was stop that video and after, so I just get the clearance now. So this is why I'm doing the video. Guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video, each and every time I do a live stream. And guys, run over to my second channel, Juliana Empire. That's my second channel, guys. Go over there and show me some love and support. See you guys in the next video. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.